14% of 4. So this works not only for larger two-digit and above, but it also works for smaller numbers like 4. 0.14 of 4 is the same thing as saying 14% of 4. So you take 14.14 times 4. 4 times 4 is 16. 4 times 1 is 4, and we add the carried 1 over, so it is 56. So it is 0.56. So 0.56 is our answer. Whenever you multiply by a decimal point, you have to move it over the number of digits past the decimal point. Now we're going to do the other version of this, which is putting the 14 over 100. 14 over 100 is the same thing as saying 14%. We multiply by 4 over 1. When multiplying fractions, you multiply straight across. So you're multiplying the 4 and the 14. And as we discussed earlier, 4 times 4 is 16. 4 times 1 is 4, plus the 1 we carried over is 5. So it's 56 over 100, which is the same as 0.56, or if we want to break it down further, we can in fraction form. When we're breaking it down in fraction form, we are going to divide it by 4 on both. So when we divide 56 divided by 4, 4 divided by 56 would be like doing this in reverse. So we already know that's 14. Now we have the 100 divided by 4. Now 100 divided by 4 is 25. The reason we know this is 4 quarters, or 4 times 25, is $1. Now, if you are not American, you can also do this by just taking the 4 into 100, 4 into 100, 1 is 0, 4 into 10 is 2, so you have the 8 down here, and then you get a 2, 0. 4 into 20 is 5. So we get our 25 that we got here. And this is our mixed fraction.